The body is held together by sound. The presence of disease indicates that some of the sounds have gone out of tune. Corporate wellness doesn't have to be consisting solely of health scans, gym memberships, and reimbursements. There are more creative ways of cultivating a healthy work environment and a corporate culture that promotes teamwork and cooperation, enhancing productivity. Stress and health issues in modern living are material threats to individuals and businesses. Meditation and sound healing are now being embraced by more and more organizations of all sizes to improve the productivity, health, and wellness of employees, and as a strategy to help foster interconnectivity, communication, teamwork, creativity, and innovation, resulting in happier and efficient employees. Sound therapy is a holistic treatment that uses sounds and vibrations at different frequencies to induce a deep state of meditation. Such sessions are called sound baths, since sound is said to wash over you. It can alter brain functions by addressing mental health problems such as depression, anxiety, fear, addiction, improved sleep, less chronic pain and blood pressure, lower cholesterol, and a lower risk of heart disease are all advantages of sound healing. Sound healing therapy or sound meditation is one of the top wellness trends at the moment, and not without cause or evidence. Embrace it today to create and maintain an effective life-work health balance.